May bandang kanan, may magtingin kami, papasok kayo dyan pagla.
Kuya!
Wala ba?
Meron po kayong Spanish latte.
Wala kami ma'am, wala kaming condense.
Alright, sige. Ice latte na lang po. And, yeah, na-take niyo yung order ko ng Caesar salad, no?
Okay po. So, additional nyo lang po yung...
It's already here. Wow.
So, additional na lang po yung ano nyo po, no? Yung ice latte.
Ano yan, kuya?
Island hopping tour po ma'am. So, pwede kayo mamili kung anong gusto niyo puntahan. Kung halimbawa 2A, B, C, or D. So, pwede rin kayong mag-combine. Example, ABD, EB, or C and D. Private only allowed for that.
Private?
Wala. Pwede po, kayo lang.
Okay.
Pero price, parehas din.
Same price, no? Yes. Okay. The deal is 10,500 for 7 location.
Yes.
7 location where I wanna go for a day, like 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. tomorrow. So it's gonna be, it's like it's a private, no?
Yeah,
it's
yeah,
only
it's a
me.
private.
Yeah, for 10,500. So I will do this tomorrow. And so deposit is 2,000. See you tomorrow,
See you
kuya.
I'll send to you the location.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, bye. God bless you.
Bless you.
Thank you.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am. How can I help you?
May bottled water kayo.
Pa?
Bottled water.
Bottled water?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Bottle of water.
Black and ma'am.
Ha?
Black.
Yeah, say hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Welcome to Nakpan Beach, El Nido, Palawan. Welcome to my vlog.
Magkano po yan?
60 po.
60.
Saan kayo, ma'am?
Bulacan. But I live in Bohol.
Bisaya?
Hindi, Tagalog.
Bohol is
Bulacan.
Bisaya.
Bisaya, oo.
Sa Bulacan, Bisaya.
Kana 60.
Apo.
Di maganda yung weather, no?
Welcome
Kanina
dyan,
po.
mga
Okay po kanina.
sa mga viewers, ma'am. Ito yung mga single dito sa Nakpan Beach. Mga single dad.
Ah, baka ito na yung
Kanina
chance
okay
nyo.
po yung kanina yung weather. Ngayon lang po yung ano.
We're all single.
Ngayong
All single?
Ngayon lang din po nagbago yung kanina mainit eh, maganda yung panahon.
Hmm.
Yun lang din. Ganun talaga, madaling magbago.
Madali magbago. Maganda sunset dito.
Yes po.
Yes po.
Okay po yung sunset. Kaya lang hindi ko po alam ngayon kung maganda kasi cloudy po yung dito po yung sunset niyan eh.
Hmm.
Kaya lang hindi ko po sure kung maganda today.
Pero kahapon,
ng
Kahapon,
sample ng
okay po.
sunset dito, ma'am.
na.
Meron dito.
Menu of Carabar. No?
Yes po. Harbor.
Sounds like Carabao.
Yes, ma'am. Dati, ma'am, talaga yung since nag-start sila dito, yung pwesto nila parang ano ng Carabao, yung
Ah.
kalisa niya.
Kalisa, hindi
Kaya na
Wow.
yung nasa Carabao.
Nice. Who's the owner?
Dito.
Pero Tagalog or foreigner? Bisaya.
Tagalog yun. Kaya nang nag-improve sila, nag-tenant sila.
So, yung special drink nyo is
Piña
Piña Colada.
Piña colada is the best one.
The best.
Yun po talaga yung special.
Kasi yung old coconut,
Yeah.
grind namin squeeze para to caramel. Tapos blend with pineapple and rum.
Can I get one?
Sure.
Sure, 100%.
One piña colada.
One Piña Colada, please.
One piña colada.
What's your name?
Let's introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Sergio.
Seryo.
My name is JM.
Jam. Where's the bartender?
What is that?
MJ.
MJ.
The coconut master.
Coconut Master.
Project. Panoorin nyo kung paano i-build na.
Sige.
Yung white, na yung dog. Apo.
Ayusin mo part, ma-vlog ka na part. Part, lingi-lingi sa wala ha, lingi-lingi na to. Kaya basig maabot. Oops! Bibi! Move forward! Sana na. Madaanan ka na isa. Bata ka na. Sino ang artista dumaan ito nakaraan? Jay? Ayun, dami niya doon yan.
Gusto niyo pa ng sabaw.
400 lang.
Fresh water talaga yun, ma'am.
Yeah.
yan.
Mayuri ko lang, mayuri.
Kailangan magandang pagkakayod para maganda.
Maganyan ka nag-try dito magkayod ka.
Try, no?
So nila may experience ko paano magkayod dito.
Okay naman. Nasanay
Muntik lang
naman.
masama yung kamay.
Ha?
Muntik lang masama yung kamay.
Oo, minsan talaga delikado pagka, lalo na pag first time. Di ba kinakain to?
Opo, pwede po yan.
Yan yung tawag na buay.
Buay? Buwa, tawag sa amin eh.
Buwa.
Buwa. Buwa. Mm. Sweet. Mm. So ano yan, nilalahat siya sa drinks or hindi?
Yung pinaka-special dito ma'am, yung ano niya. Yung katas niya.
Oo nga, yung unang katas lang. Pero ano yun, lahat siya? Lahat ng katas?
Opo ma'am.
Mm.
Kaya ano niya talaga yung
Yung creaminess.
flavor talaga.
So magkano yung pinakulado niya dito?
Magkano Jay? 440.
440. Sa massage te, magkano? Massage.
Depende po sa massage mo.
Meron din kayong
May 500 po. May discounts po 500. So, kanina ng 600 po.
600.
300 naman yung
300
30.
for 30 minutes.
Parang nagmamassage din siya yun. Pero iba yung minamassage yun. Kunat na massage.
Ako siguro mag-massage. Bali-bali siguro.
Strong guy.
Yes.
Bersahan.
Wala talaga halong tubig. Yun talaga yun. Parang kamay mo na yung nabiga, Jack.
Uy, magpamassage.
Buong pierta na yan, no?
No, I think it's started.
Tikpan nyo kung pure na gatap.
Yeah.
Pesos ang bonus, pero kung doon ng 11,000 pesos.
Sarap.
Wala pong asukal yan. Kami sulit.
Okay mo na. Uy, pa!
Your piña colada is ready.
Thank you.
There's no sugar at the piña colada, just only the coconut milk with the fresh pineapple. Yeah, Palawan Blanco, white rum, and Boracay rum.
Yes, thank
Enjoy.
you.
Cheers.
Cheers. So you're a driver, kuya?
Yes, ma'am.
You have your own or?
Nangangamuha lang po.
Okay.
I'm a organizer, transport.
So how much is
For shared van from El Nido goes to Puerto Princesa, normal rate is 700 per person with other people. But if we get a private car with no other people, it's 7,000 for the
7,000?
yeah, for private car.
Wow.
Sometimes they give discount 6,000. That's a big discount. And for the shared van, I give discount just only 600.
Pesos.
Yeah, but it's only 5 hours travel.
5 hours travel.
normal rate. It's 90
Wow.
kilometer per hour or 100 kilometer per hour.
Wow.
It's 272 kilometer.
Usually, what time kayo nag-start
From
mag-drive?
El Nido po, first trip for the shared one is start at 5 a.m. every hour until 6 p.m.
6 p.m.
Yeah, and for private, if you need private, just it's up to you. What time you want, what time you need.
Alright. Shuttle van.
5 hours travel.
Alright, thank you, kuya. So, ano yun, kuya?
That biggest island is the name is Lalotaya Island, and the owner of that island is famous boxer in the Philippines. His name is Manny Pacquiao.
Manny Pacquiao.
Yeah,
Wow. I didn't know that.
Lalotaya Island. And then the one is Buri Island, and then the brother Bulog Island.
Bulog Island.
This one is Buri Island.
Buri Island. Over there.
That one is Lalotaya.
Nice.